What's going on, YouTube world? I got some videos coming up. Going to be doing a gauge install on a car I just bought. Actually got a bunch of things I'm going to be doing to this. As you can see, no gauges, 6-speed transmission, Whipple supercharged. I'm told it's on about a 750 horse tune right now, but we'll get it on a dyno and find out. But this is my next project. Got storms going on outside, so I can't get much better pictures than this today. I'm not putting it outside for pictures, but this is pretty much the car. I got stripes going on it. I'm going to be putting on, I pulled some old nasty ones off yesterday. I probably should have videoed that. Got a carbon fiber spoiler going to be going on this car, and a few other mods. And I also have four other vehicles that I own that are going to be getting stuff done to them. I'm going to try to get some videos out. I know I only got like 2 right now, and this is potentially my 3rd one, but I'm trying to get this coming out on a more regular basis because I do a lot of things. I even used to be a building contractor, so I'll be showing remodeling and tile work and drywall and stuff also on this channel. So as soon as I get an update on the gauges, I'll get that out. Right now I don't want to put too much time into the video since I've got pretty much no subscribers. Until that gets up a little bit, then I'll start doing full length installs, showing you every step of the way. Okay, here's the gauges I'm going with. Can't really see the front. It's glow shift gauges. That's going to be wideband and boost. Fuel pressure and oil pressure, or vice versa here. Right now what I'll be doing is getting all the wires in place, and this whole jungle, going to make it all zip tied in here nice and neat before even attempting to put it in the car. So there's the part number for the fuel pressure gauge, oil pressure gauge, and the boost wideband gauge by Glow Shift. It's the only gauges I use. I've used others, Autometer and stuff. These are the best, in my opinion. There might be better gauges, but for everyday personal car use and performance, these work very well. Okay, right now I'm trying to access the oil pressure switch so I can hook the adapter in for the oil pressure gauge. And right now I got the car jacked up and getting ready to remove that lower protective plastic piece, because the oil pressure sender is way down in there, can't be seen at the moment. Well, I am now under the car, found the oil pressure sensor is located. Let's see if I can get it. Where are you hiding? I'm going to move this other light. Give you a little bit. There it is, right there. Barely see it. I got the wire unplugged from it. Accessible from the outside of the frame rail. You see my hand. And it's right there. Okay, a week has actually gone by since my last little update on gauge install. Had a wrong adapter sent to me and something else was missing. So let me show you what I got. The adapter was for the oil pressure sending unit. If you got a 5.0 Coyote, it's the metric fitting you need, not the MPT. So make sure of that. There is a year split. I'm not sure when it is, but I got stuck with the wrong adapter. So let me show you what the correct one looks like. I got it in the car now. So if you can see up there, that's, see if I can zoom, wrong way. There's the adapter. It's from Juggernaut Performance. Took about five days to get here. Then the other thing was, couldn't weld a bung on the exhaust for the wideband. Ended up having to get the clamp. And that also took about 7 days to come in from Glow Shift. But that was the answer. Kind of ran the wires from that. I don't know why this thing isn't focusing. But anyways, it runs around. Let's see if I can get it for you. I run up here. It runs across underneath between the transmission and the engine. Here we get a better picture here. I know what it is. I'm zoomed. Zoom out. Back to normal. There we go. And it runs around across the frame. I drilled some holes and got some push-ins in there. You can see that now. Up and around the frame and up to the firewall. Got it up to the firewall. That's where I went through. I got a video on that. I got a rat's nest right now. It's because I'm just making sure everything's working, and then I'm going to tuck up all the wires nice and neat. And then here's the gauges. Here's the gauges. Got them all installed. And that's what they're looking like. We'll go ahead and start the car.
System ready.
They do change color with the push of the button. I do like the red the best, actually. Turn the music off. Don't get flagged But anyways, there's my gauge install. And thanks for watching. I will have more videos out. I am a new YouTuber. I do know how to do an awful lot of stuff. I'm going to try to get on video until I start getting a lot more subscribers than 1 or 2 is all I got right now. I get 100, you'll get step by step, and you'll actually see me actually do the work instead and subscribe, you know.